talk about a scientist performs an experiment in which she measures 4 values 2 times each. So 4 values in 2 measurements. Okay. Which of the following results? Which of the following conclusions is supported by the data? Y and X. Sorry, W and Y. W and Y are directly proportional. Directly proportional. Let's talk about directly proportional and inversely proportional. What is your directly proportional equation? Y is equals to kx. What is your inversely proportional equation? Y equals to k over x, correct? Where k is a constant in both the equations. What do you mean by k? K is a constant, which means if you solve it in the direct proportion, the ratio is constant. The ratio of the two values is always constant. Is always constant. Whereas here, if you solve for k, isn't it y times x? Isn't it y times x? Here, the product is constant. In the inverse proportion, the product of the two quantities is constant. In the direct proportion, the ratio is the constant. Let's see now, W and Y. Set up a ratio between these two. 0.2 over 0.5. Is that ratio equals to 0.6 over 1? Is that a valid ratio? Is that a valid proportion? Will that work? Folks, will that work, Amma? 0.6 over 0.5, is that equal to 0.6 over 1?
No.
No. If you cross multiply, you won't get, it's not a true value, it's a false. No. How about next? W and Z are inversely proportional. In the inversely proportional, the product is the constant. W and Z now. W and Z. Which means the product, see the product is constant. So 0.6 times 10, is it equals to 0.6 times 30? Is that a true statement? Is that a true statement? On the left side it is 2, on the right side it is 18. So that doesn't work. How about next? C. X and Y are inversely proportional. Okay. If I pick X and Y, and to check if they're inversely proportional, if they're inversely proportional, the product should be constant, right? The product should be constant, inversely proportional. So 6 times 0.5, that's one ordered pair, X and Y. Is it equals to 3 times 1? Is that a true statement?
Let's go.
Guys, what is 6 times 0.5? Isn't it?
Yes.
Is that a true statement?
Yes.
Yes. So that means that's your answer. Everybody clear, Amma? How the directly proportional works and how the inversely proportional works. In the directly proportional, the ratio is the constant. In the inversely proportional, the product is the constant. Is that clear, everyone?